Hey guys, it's Whip It Up Wednesday on Fun Cooking, and today we're going to do a pork shoulder, yes, in the slow cooker. Come on back and I'll show you how I make it. Whip It Up Wednesday collaboration founded by Linda's Pantry, Sutton's Days, The Needy Homesteader, More to Life, and Wilhelm's Kitchen. So the ingredients we're going to be using today will be part of this pork shoulder. It was just a better deal to buy this size than half this size. Some sliced onion rings, some salt, pepper, and some garlic powder, Worcestershire sauce, and some liquid smoke. First thing we're going to do is cut this meat in half-ish. We've got to locate the bone, and it's right here. So I believe I'm just going to slice right along the edge of it, if I can find the edge of it. We'll be making just some score lines, cutting through the layers. You just want to slowly work your way through this. Don't rush. Losing a finger is not worth it. I'm going to finish cutting through this and then I'll bring you back when I get there. Okay, so I've finished cutting through here. It was a little difficult finding all the edges of the bones, but I made it through. Okay, so let me separate this. The bone is over here on this side, and over here there is a little bit of bone, but I'm going to leave it in there because it's going to help give more flavor. But before I go ahead and remove it from here, I'm going to take part of this onion and I'm just going to line the bottom of the crock with it. That should be good. And then we will go ahead and take this and stuff it right down in here. It's a tight fit, but that's okay. Then I'm going to take my Worcestershire sauce and pour it over it, and my liquid smoke. You want to evenly distribute it over everything, and then we're going to sprinkle on our spices. I'm going to put this in the sleeve and let it cook for about 5 hours on high, and I'll check the tenderness, and I'll bring you back when we get to that point. Okay guys, our roast should be done, so let me grab the little crock, bring it over here. Okay, this was done a little while ago, but I was on the phone and not able to come back to and film, so I just turned it on warm. Let's see if we can pull this out of here without tearing it apart. So here's our roast. Let's get a knife and give it a little cut. There it is. So many tools. Let's go ahead and give it a little slice. Ooh, it's falling apart. Of course, I would choose the end that has the bone in it, but that's okay. Look how tender that is. Let's grab a little plate. Move this out of the way. Let's see, can we cut it with a fork? It's really tender. Has a really nice flavor. What more can you ask for? If you guys want the recipe for this, you can find it at www.funcookingchannel.com, recipe tab, and look for it in the list. Or you can click the tab right over here and take you right to it. We'll see you next time.